Apple just unveiled its slimmest phone ever, the iPhone Air. At just 5.6 mm thick, it's the boldest design move in 8 years. But is thin always better? Let's dive in. With a sleek titanium frame and ceramic Shield 2 glass, the iPhone Air aims for durability despite its impossibly slim form. The internal architecture is precision-engineered, rearranged to maximize battery space, yet still achieve that all-day life Apple promises. Powered by the new A19 Pro chip, alongside the custom N1 Wi-Fi and C1X modem chips, Apple touts this as its most energy-efficient iPhone yet. Analysts even called it miniaturization at its finest. At the launch, Tim Cook echoed Steve Jobs. "Design is how it works," and this phone certainly showcases that philosophy. Here's the catch. It opts for a single rear camera, unlike the dual or triple setups on the iPhone 17 and Pro models routers plus one. Analysts question whether consumers will accept fewer cameras, and there are still lingering doubts about battery performance despite Apple's claims Reuters plus one. Priced around $999, it undercuts the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge by $100, Reuters plus one Barron's. Analysts expect it could drive upgrade momentum this holiday season, especially in price-sensitive markets, Reuters plus one. It may even help Apple regain ground in China, particularly as some of those markets favor ultra-slim designs, Reuters the Straits Times. Despite being tuned for AI tasks with its new chips, Apple offered no major AI feature reveals at the event. A stark contrast to Google's AI-heavy approach Reuters plus two. Critics say Apple remains behind in the AI race. Its hardware is impressive, but the software story is still waiting. Investors.com, Barron's Reuters. So what's the verdict? The iPhone Air is a design statement, beautifully engineered and refreshingly different. But trade-offs in camera and uncertainty around battery, plus limited AI progress may temper enthusiasm. For style-conscious users, it's a stunner. But some power users might hold out for the Pro models. What do you think? Is the iPhone Air worth compromising on features for a sleeker look? Drop a comment below, hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown, and subscribe for more tech deep dives.